Hey, what's up, my makeup divas on the YT? It's your girl, Pure Eye Candy, coming to you with a simple, it's not even a makeup tutorial, it's just a simple cat's eye and how to apply your lashes. And this tutorial is for my girl, Erica, at Dr. Massey's office. I want to tell you, hey, Erica, and I hope this is easy for you to achieve. It's something simple, and I know your husband will like it. And as always, stay beautiful, respect yourself, and remember, most of all, stay ladied up. Hey, what's up, my makeup divas? It's your girl, Pure Eye Candy, coming to you just to show you how to get the perfect cat's eye and put on your eyelashes. So we're going for this look over here. Sorry for this bag. I do not know what else to do to get rid of the bags. I have bought in the MAC cream. I have bought in the e.l.f. cream. And I bought one at Dollar Tree, but the bags are still there. So I don't know what else to do. So if you know what else to do, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what else I have to do to get rid of these bags, because I get sleep. It's just they will not go away. So I'm trying to conceal it with the MAC Pro Conceal and Corrector palette. I'm using this orange. So I don't know if that's going to work or not. So then you're going to get some tape. Then you're going to get your favorite eyeliner, and mine is by Essence. This is just taken out of the Essence jar. And then you're going to pull your eye. And just do like that. This is my second time recording this, because the first time my head was down at the bottom and y'all couldn't see it. So I just made sure I had to do it over, because I posted it on Facebook saying that it'll be up the day before yesterday, and it's not up. So I just wanted to fulfill my request. And the next thing I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Liner Liquid Eyeliner. And I love, 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 love this eyeliner. It's in black. And then you're going to take a mirror and just go over what you did. Bag lady, you gon' hurt your back, carrying all them bags like that. That's what I feel like. Bag lady. I be trying to conceal it, but it just don't go away. And I ain't never used to have bags like this until I had my jaw surgery. And then you're going to take the tape off. And it should look like that. Okay. Then you're going to go back into the gel eyeliner. And just put it all together. So it should look like that. And I do this every day, and when I don't want to wear eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go into my favorite all-time most favorite black, and it's by Classy Chicks Cosmetics. I love the black stars and I love the black hole, because this is just true to black. So to make it not look so gothic, I'm going to go in my Urban Decay Beauty with an Edge eyeshadow in Midnight Cowgirl. This is my favorite highlight of all times. And it looks like that. And I have another one, but I don't know where I put it. And that one was brand new. And we're just going to lighten up the bottom eye so it don't look all gothic. Next, we're going to take an eyelash. I use my eyelashes like 4 to 5 times. I just pull off the glue on the top. And I'm going to place the, what is these called? Tweezers in the middle and just hold it. And I'm going to take my favorite glue, and it's hair bonding glue. If you don't like hair bonding glue or whatever, you can use Duo glue, but I find this to be the easiest way to apply my lashes and take off. So I'm going to blow it. And if it doesn't stick the first time, that means it's not tacky. So that's why you gotta blow it. And you gotta close your eye and stick it. See, it's not sticking. Now it's sticked. And then you're gonna go to the edge and go to this edge. And just bend it a little bit. And that is it.